Hello friends, I'm Nashik from blogdude.com, and in this video I'll teach you everything you need to know about WooCommerce, from creating a product to management of stocks, setting up taxation options, getting to know all the shipping and checkout options, and much more. And the most amazing thing is that WooCommerce is absolutely free and super easy to use. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and also click on that bell icon so that you don't miss any future videos. With that being said, let's get started. The first step to get started is to install the WooCommerce plugin. To do so, go to your dashboard. At the left hand side, you will see something called plugins, hover plugins, and you will see three different options. You have to click on add new. And here in the search plugins, type in WooCommerce. This is the plugin which we need, WooCommerce by Automatic. It has got more than 1 million active installs and a very good rating. So just click on install now and activate the plugin. Now this is the WooCommerce setup wizard. The first option is asking you your store location. So select this and type in your state name. For example, I stay in Maharashtra, which is in India. So I'll type that. Now here type in your address, your postal zip number, city, and so on. Also select your currency from here. I want Indian rupee, so I'll search for Indian rupee. Here it is, and select this one. Now the type of product do you want to sell? I want to sell physical products. You want to sell digital products, you can select this one. If you want to sell both the products, you can select the third one. So let's select the third one. Click on let's go. Here you have to select all the options that you want to provide to your user or to the visitor. The checkout option, the payment options. For example, online options, there are PayPal standard. You have some offline options also. If you expand this, you have check options, bank transfer, cash on delivery. So we won't do anything over here because we'll get all these options later on. We can do everything easily. So just click on continue. Now here is the third option, the shipping option. I would just unmark everything because I'm not going to do any change from here. I'll do all the changes from dashboard because many people won't get this particular setup wizard when they install WooCommerce, and sometimes when you install WooCommerce you get different setup wizard. For example, I'm seeing this one for the first time, okay, because I'm recording this video. I didn't even know that WooCommerce has updated. So I'll do everything from dashboard so that everyone who is watching in 2017, 18, 20, whenever you're watching, you can follow on. Okay, so just click on continue. Connect with Jetpack, we don't want to do that. Okay, so click on this which says skip this step. You're ready to start selling. We are get tips, product details, and so on. If you want, you can just put in your email address and click on this yes please button. If you want to create your first product, click on over here, but you don't want to do anything. We'll create our products later on. First we'll do all the WooCommerce settings. So at the bottom you'll see this link, return to your dashboard. Click on that. Fine guys, so we are back on our dashboard, and from here we'll be doing all the settings so that everyone can follow me, because many a times it happens that you have already installed WooCommerce, so you won't be getting that setup wizard. So I want everyone to follow. Now here at the left hand side you will see WooCommerce, hover WooCommerce, and you have different options. For example, the first one is orders. Click on orders. We don't have any orders at present over here because this is a fresh install. But if you have orders and if you get orders, any product order, you'll see everything over here. You'll see the status of the product, for example, whether it is pending, whether the product has been shipped, whether you got the payment of the product or not, the number of product, the number of amount, the number of sales, shipping thing, everything about it you'll see over here under orders. The second option is coupons. This is a very special offer, and this is in fact a very special option which is given by WooCommerce. You can use this to expand your business, to generate more sales, to attract more customers. Very useful. So we'll see how to create a coupon later on. First we'll see all the important settings. So just click on this settings from here. Okay, so you're getting those options again over here. That's why I chose this. The first one is your address line 1, address line 2, city. We have already entered this. Okay, now here is some important options, general options, selling locations. To which are the countries that you will be selling in. If you want to sell in all countries, select the first one. If you want to sell to a specific country, select the third one and enter the country name. For example, I want to sell in India and maybe in Pakistan because it is a neighboring country, so I may also consider that. And whatever country you want to add, you can add multiple countries over here. We have one more option, which is sell to all countries except for. So you want to sell to all the countries but with some exceptions. For example, United States. Okay, so maybe I don't want to sell in United States, whereas I want to sell in all the rest of the countries in the world. Fine, so you can also do that. I'll select this option, sell to specific countries, and I'll choose only India. Now here is your shipping location. Ship to all countries you sell to. This is the perfect option according to me. You have more option. Ship to all countries, ship to specific countries only. The first option is the perfect one. Whichever country you have selected over here, you want to ship to all those countries. Okay, if you have selected all the countries, then this will automatically be all the countries. Default customer location, you have different options again. I would recommend you to just let it be geolocate. Enable taxes, we want to say yes, because we'll be enabling and seeing different taxation options. Store notice, let it be. Currency, we have already selected that. Currency position, you have different position. For example, here the icon, the currency icon is at the left, here it is at the right, here there is a little space between, so you can select any one. We are selecting the left one. Number of decimals and so on, not very important settings, but if you want to make changes, you can do so easily. Once you are done with all the changes, just click on the save changes button. So we are done with the general option. Now click on products from here. Now here again, under products, we have 4 different options: general, display, inventory, and downloadable products. First is the general options. Let's see. Weight unit. So this actually depends on the product you're selling. For example, if you're selling t-shirts and those kind of product, you will obviously not select kg. You might select grams or pounds or so on, but you will surely not select kg. Whereas if you're selling laptops or computers, refrigerators, and so on, then you might consider kg over here. So it depends on what kind of product you are planning to sell. I will select grams from here. Dimension unit, centimeter, meter, inches, yards, whatever you feel is right for your product, you can select that. I'm selecting centimeter. Enable product reviews. Yes, we want to enable that because we want to enable our customers to provide review on our account, on our website. Okay, they can provide a review to any particular product. Show verified owner label on customer reviews. This is very important. Many times it happens that the person who has not actually purchased the product is giving a review, and that is not acceptable. That is not good actually. So we want to enable this so that, whenever someone is providing the review, if he has already purchased the product, this thing will be written beside his name. Very important. Review can only be left by verified owners. If you want to do this, you can just tick mark this. I would just leave it like this. Product rating, enable star rating on reviews. Star rating should be required, not optional. You can select both the options. It's all up to you. Just click on save changes. Now go to display. The first option is shop page. You'll see there are 4 pages automatically created for you. That is basically because we run that setup. If you don't see these 4 pages, the shop page, cart page, checkout page, my account page, go to Google and search for WooCommerce shortcode. You'll see some simple shortcodes. Copy those shortcodes and paste in, create any new page, paste in that shortcode, and that you'll see different pages over here after that. Second option is shop page display. So what do you want to display on the shop page? Products, categories, products and categories. we want to display products on our shop page. You'll see all these options later on. You'll understand it better when we start creating products. Okay, because if you have already watched my e-commerce videos, you probably know what this is. But if you haven't, if you're here for the first time, if you're seeing WooCommerce for the first time, don't worry. When we start creating product, you know what shop page is, how to show different products on the shop page and so on. So just don't worry, relax and watch the complete tutorial. You'll be all right. Okay. Second option is default category display. So here also we'll select show products. Default product sorting. Okay, so you can have a default product sorting, but this is not required because when we go to the shop page, there is a sorting option given at the top. So you can select, your user can select any one of these. So, but you can set any default option, for example, popularity in terms of sales. Add to cart behavior, redirect to cart page after successful addition. Enable Ajax to cart button on archives. Just leave it like this. You don't have to do any changes over here. But don't select tick mark this one, the first one, redirect to the cart page after successful addition. What this means, whenever a user adds a product to his cart, he'll be redirected to the cart page, which is not recommended. Many a times it happens with all of us. We want to add 2-3 different products, so we don't want each and every time when we add a product in our cart to be redirected to the cart page. That would be really annoying. So make sure you untick this. Click on save changes. Now go to inventory. Here the first option is manage stock and it is tick mark. You can tick mark this if you want. Basically what this means is when you enable this option, you'll see this number of stocks under your product. For example, if you have a product, you'll get to know all these things when we start creating product. So first understand, and when we start creating product, I'll explain you again what that is. Okay, so basically besides your product, you'll see 60 products in stock, and when 10 products are sold, that will become 50. So that is what stock management is. If you don't want users to see or to know how many products are there in stock, you can just untick this and all the rest of the option will go. But if suppose someone wants to do that, then I'll tick mark this and go to other options. Second option is hold stock minutes. You can increase or decrease this timing. Notification, enable low stock notification. So whenever your stock is getting low, okay, for example here low stock threshold, when your product reaches 2 products, when only 2 products are left in your stock, you will get a notification via this email. Okay, so this is very important if you have enabled this. Enable out of stock notification. Again when your product goes out of stock, you will receive a notification on this particular email. Out of stock threshold 0. You can increase this threshold. For example, I want when the product the stock reaches 10, I should get a low stock notification. So you can play around with this according to your need. Out of stock visibility. So here hide out of stock item from catalog. If you want to do that, tick mark this. Click on save changes. Now go to downloadable products. Here the first option is file download method. By default, file download method is selected. Force download method is selected. I also recommend that because what does that do is hides your URL. So that is very important, because if the user knows the URL, then he can share that URL and anyone can download that product without making any payment. So force download, make sure force download is selected from here. Access restriction, download requires login. If you want this, you can just tick mark over here. Grant access to downloadable products after payment. So after payment, whether you want to grant access to the downloadable product to the user or not, if you untick this, then you will have to do it manually. So I would recommend to tick mark this, because once he has paid, I don't think there should be any problem. He should have the access to the product which he has paid for. Click on save changes. Now go to tags. Here the first option is prices entered with tags. Whether you want to include tags, exclude tags. Basically what this means is whether the product which are showing on your website, whether you want to include the taxes also on that product. For example, if you have set $10 for a product, and if you select this one, the first one, inclusive of tax, and if you get $1 tax on that, for example 10% tax on that, then your product price will show 11 instead of 10. So we don't want that. We want exclusive of tax. We want only the product price to show and not the tax price. The tax price should be shown when the person is going to check out. So make sure you select exclusive of tax from here. Calculate tax based on which address? Shipping address, billing address, shop base address. So we'll select billing address. Shipping tax class. So don't select any one of these, just let it be the first one, because we'll see how to set different tax for different products. For example, there are many products which are tax free. There are many products which have higher taxes on them. So we'll see those options later on. Don't worry, just leave it like this. Rounding tax at subtotal level instead of rounding per line. We'll see this thing again when we create product. We go to our cart page, we'll get to know what these options are. Then I'll come back to this page and we'll see how what changes does it make. And the next option is additional tax classes. By default, 2 tax classes are already created, the reduced rate and zero rate. Now we'll add one more. Just type in GST over there, or VAT, or whatever is followed in your country, you can put in that. In my country, GST is followed, so I'll put GST. That is not actually GST, but we call it GST. Okay, we'll see all the options related to GST. And now if you see, we don't have these GST options over here, but after I click on this save changes, I'll get a new option over there. First, let's see the remaining options. Display prices in the shop excluding tax or including tax. Again, we want to display excluding tax. Same here, excluding tax. Now click on save changes. Now as I said you earlier, we'll see this GST rates over here. Now click on that GST rates. Now here you have to enter the tax rate. For example, just click on this insert row. The first option is country code. So just type in your country code. If I type IN, I get this option India. Now state code. If you want to charge for specific state, you can enter the state code. I'll type in MH for Maharashtra. And in Maharashtra, suppose you want to charge this text, whatever we are creating, only to specific zip code or postal code, you can enter those postal codes and zip code over here. If you want to charge this tax rate throughout the Maharashtra to the whole to everyone who belongs to Maharashtra, just leave this thing blank. Again, leave the city also blank, because when we leave this blank, the whole it applies to whole of the city, whichever city comes under Maharashtra. Now here we have to put in the rate. For example, put in 12%. Now give a tax name. This is SGST, state tax, because we have to pay 2 taxes, SGST and CGST, state tax and central tax. Now here, if you want to charge GST on shipping also, for example, if the shipping cost is $2, if you want to charge GST on those $2 also, first it is not upon you whether you want to charge or not. You will have to do some research and get to know whether your country charges tax on shipping or not, and accordingly in my country we have to charge on shipping. So I'll tick mark this and click on save changes. Now again click on insert row. Now I'll be adding the CGST, the state tax, again India. Now I'll leave this state code blank because I want this tax to be applied to the whole country. Wherever the person or visitor is from, he has to pay this tax. Okay, so I'll put 12% again, and in the name I'll put CGST. Okay, and again I'll be charging CGST on shipping also, so click on save changes. These 2 options are enough for taxation if you're selling only one product. For example, if you're selling only shirts, then these 2 options are enough, because all the shirts will have the same tax rates. But if you're charging different tax rates, then you have to do some changes over here. For example, if you're also selling a product which has higher tax rate, then you have to create a tax rate for those also. So again, you'll click on insert row. You'll type in India, Maharashtra, you'll change the tax rate, you'll change the tax name if you want, and similarly you can create n number of tax rates over here. Okay, so this was the GST. Now let's see the standard rates. Click on standard rates. Here also you can click on you can create standard tax rates over here. If you have reduced tax rates for some product, you can click over here. Now these taxes and these different classes will be selecting when we create our product. So when we create a product, we will be selecting these classes which we are creating. Zero tax rate. If you have any product which has zero tax rate, you can click over here. Click on insert row, India. Okay, so this applies to whole country. So I'll leave all this thing blank. I'll put in 0 over here. Tax name, zero tax. Fine. Click on save changes. This is just an example. Okay, so now if we create any product that does not have any tax on it, then we'll get an option, the tax option, when we start creating the product, and there we have to select this zero tax rate. Okay, so this was different tax options, very important. Now click on shipping. Okay, so this is how it will look. First we have to add a shipping zone, so click on this button. You can also click on over here. Click on this add shipping zone. You have to give it a name. For example, I'll name it India because I'm shipping only in India. Zone region. Okay, so again here you have to select your state, or you can select your country. I'm selecting India, the whole of India. Now click on save changes. Now here next you have to add some methods, shipping methods. So click on add shipping method. Flat rate, free shipping, local pickup. So let's see one by one. First select flat rate, click on add shipping method. Here the flat rate is enabled now. Click on edit. Flat rate, taxable or not taxable, and here is the cost. For example, I have selected Indian rupees. So for example, I want to charge 60 rupees, which is approximately $1. So I will put 60 rupees flat rate and click on save changes. But there is a problem with that. Let me explain you. It's a very simple example. If a person is purchasing one shirt from my website, then he'll be charged 60 rupees on that shipping cost. And if the same person is purchasing 100 different shirts from my website, he'll again be charged only 60 rupees. So there is a problem over here. We have to do some more changes over here. Again, click on edit. Now instead of 60 or before 60, just type in what I'm saying. Just delete everything. Open this bracket, this square bracket I guess we call it, and type in QTY for quantity. Close this bracket. Now put this asterisk sign and put in the amount, 60 rupees or whatever the amount you want. Now if he purchases 10 quantity, so he'll be charged 600 rupees. Okay, so this is very important. Don't just put a amount over here. Put this code QTY into 60. Click on save changes. You can add more shipping method. For example, select this one. Select local pickup or free shipping. Click on add shipping method. Edit. Free shipping, you won't be charging any amount. Minimum order amount. Okay, so for example, I am typing 1000 rupees. So when a person purchases a product over 1000 rupees, he'll be eligible for free shipping. Very important again. Click on save changes. Fine, so we have added two different rates over here, the flat rate and free shipping. Now click on shipping options. Now here the first option is calculation. Enable shipping calculator on the cart page. Okay, so on the cart page, the user will get a calculator, and when the user puts in his postal code, he will be shown how much amount he'll be charged for shipping on that particular postal code. Very important. Next option is hide shipping cost until an address is entered. If you want, you can just tick mark this. Shipping destination default to billing address. Now click on save changes. Now shipping class, again very important option. No shipping class has been added. Now let's add a shipping class and see why it is important. Click on add shipping class. Now let's name it bulky. Now first let me explain you. Suppose you, as I said you earlier, if you are selling more than one product, or more than one type of product, for example shirt and some electronics. When someone purchases a shirt or orders a shirt from your website, you will charge maybe $1 or 60 rupees. According to India, we charge 60 rupees. But when someone is purchasing or ordering a television, a big television, then obviously you won't be charging 60 rupees, or else you will have to pay that from your own pocket. So for those kind of product, we create different shipping class. So instead of a shipping class bulky, you can also just type in television, okay, so that you can understand it much better. So on television, here also just type in the same thing. It is just the URL. Description, we'll type in shipping cost for television, for TV. Fine. Click on save shipping class. Okay. Now click on edit. Now again come to this shipping zones. Again edit this India, or edit whatever your country you have selected. Now go to flat rate. Now here, if you see, first we are getting only these three options. Now we are getting more options. Shipping class cost. Okay, so television shipping class cost. What do you want to enter the cost of shipping class for television? This was for normal products, for all the ordinary products. But for television, we'll have different shipping cost. Okay, so here again I'll type in the same code. I'll open the square bracket. I'll type quantity into this asterisk sign, and here you can put in the amount. For example, I want to charge $500 as the shipping cost for television. I can enter that price, and here calculate type per class, charge shipping for each shipping class. Okay, click on save changes. So these two options were very important, the tax options and shipping options. If you guys have any doubt regarding this, you can let me know in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to help you guys. Click on this checkout option now. Now this is again a very important option. The first option over here is coupons, whether you want to enable use of coupons. Obviously, calculate coupon discounts sequentially. When applying multiple coupons, apply the first coupon to the full price and the second coupon to the discounted price, and so on. No, we want only one coupon to be applied, so just don't tick mark this. Checkout process, enable guest checkout. Whether you want to enable guest checkout, if you untick this, then the user will have to first create an account to do a checkout on your website, which is not recommended. Then this is for secure checkout. Tick mark this and make sure you have an SSL certificate. This is an SSL certificate. If you see on my address bar, this secure green secure button, very important guys. If you're creating an e-commerce website and if you don't have this, it is a dangerous thing, because if you click on over here, you'll get this option. Your information, for example password or credit card number, is private when it is set to this site. So this is very important, because if you don't have this, you'll get a message that entering your card option or any detail over here is not secure. So that is very dangerous. You should have an SSL certificate. I'll give a link to a video in the video description below, wherein you can see how to get a free SSL certificate. If you sign up with TMD hosting, you can get a free SSL certificate. So make sure you check the video description. You'll get a lot of important things over there. Now you have to select different pages. Cart page, make sure cart is selected. Checkout page, make sure checkout is selected. If you want to, you can create a terms and conditions page and select that page from here. And these are just the URLs for pay, order received. You can change these URLs, not recommended, but you can do so. Now here are different options. First, click on save changes so that you don't miss any changes. Here there are different options. We don't want to enable any one of these. Here the checkout option is enabled. We don't want that. So what we'll do, first we'll click on check options and untick this, click on save changes. Now again click on checkout options. So here, as you can see, now nothing is enabled, but we want to enable PayPal. So click on PayPal from here. Click on enable PayPal standard. You can change the title, the description from here. Enter your PayPal email address. This is my PayPal email address. Okay, just leave this thing, don't tick mark these things. Okay, this is for test payments and so on, so just don't put anything over there. Leave everything over here blank and come at the bottom, API credentials, username, password, signature. Now that you'll get on your PayPal page. So just open a new tab, type in paypal.com, log into your account, type in your password, username and password. Here I'll have to blur something, don't worry about that. At the left hand side you'll see these selling tools, and there you'll see a middle option which says seller preferences. Click on that. Here again you have different options. Here is the API access option, and besides that you'll see this update link. Click on that link. We again get two different options, add or view API signature. If you want to view API signature, the second option from here, click on view API signature. Now it will confirm whether you are the person or the owner of this account. So you have different options, whether you want to receive a SMS, receive a automated call. So if you do so, and when you click on this continue button, you'll get 3 different codes. You just have to copy those codes and paste in over your username, password, signature, and click on save changes. Okay, I won't do that because I have shown that many different times, and that is very easy. You just get those codes, you copy and paste it over here, everything will be fine. But if you still want to know that, if you still want to see, I want to see those codes, I want to see how to copy and paste that, then I have created a video for that also. I'll also link that video in the video description below. In fact, I have created a playlist on WooCommerce. Anything you want to know about WooCommerce or e-commerce, you can check out that playlist. You will get a lot of things over there. Okay, so again, let's click on this checkout options. Now here if you see, besides PayPal we get this yes, which means that this is enabled. Now what I'll recommend you, first do some research whether Stripe, there is a plugin called Stripe, whether Stripe is accepted in your country, or whether it is available in your country or not. It is not available in my country, in India yet, so I cannot show you how to use that. But I would recommend you to go with PayPal and Stripe both. Stripe is very important because when you use Stripe, your user can do checkout on your own website, provided that you have an SSL certificate. So very, very important. I would strongly recommend you to do some research and see whether Stripe is supported in your country. If it is, then make sure you watch some tutorial if someone has made. I'm sure there would be many tutorials on that. And also install a Stripe. I cannot show you that because that is not supported in my country, unfortunately. Okay, so this is what your checkout options are. You can see more options. I don't think anyone will be ordering this or enabling this check options, bank account transfer options and so on. Or if you want to do so, you can just check out those options. I don't think anyone would do that today. Okay, now go to accounts. Here you have to make sure that my account is selected over here for my account page. Customer registration, enable customer registration on the checkout page. Now we also want to enable customer registration on the my account page. Display returning customer login reminder. Okay, fine. Account creation, automatically generate custom password. You don't want that. Again, we have some URLs. If you want to change these URLs, I would not recommend that. You can do so. Click on save changes. Now go to emails, and here just make sure for the first 3, the new order, cancelled order and a failed order, you have a perfect and correct email address under recipient, because whenever you get a new order, you will get a notification on this particular email address, and whenever you get a cancelled order, failed order, again you will get a notification on this particular email address. Very important, make sure you have your email address over here. If you don't have it over here, click on this configure button and you can put in your email address from here. You can change the subject and so on. Fine, so you can do so. Click on save changes. Okay guys, so these were all the changes, all the settings about the WooCommerce general settings. Now let's see how to create a coupon. So click on coupons from here. Now click on this button at the top which says add coupon. Now we can name it anything. For example, I have a coupon code for different purposes like Nair 60. When you want, if you want to get 60% discount on HostGator, you can use this coupon code NAYYAR60 Nair 60. If you want to get 7% discount on TMD hosting, you can put Nair 7. So this is how your coupon code would look like. Very important. Again, you can add some description. For example, use the coupon to get 7% off. Now you can put in anything over here. Now here is the main options: the coupon data, general option, usage restriction, usage limit. First, let's see the general options. Discount type, what type of discount it is. Percent discount, fixed cart discount, fixed product discount. Percent discount is basically, here we have set 7% discount, so we'll put in 7 over here, 7% over here. And this option says if you have created this coupon to allow free shipping, you can enable this. For example, I can name this coupon as free ship. Okay, so whenever anyone uses this coupon, he will get a free shipping to his he'll get a free shipping basically. You can put expiry date to this coupon. You can select any. For example, this is available only for 2-3 weeks, so you can select that. Okay, you can click on publish for now. Now let's go to usage restriction. Minimum spend, maximum spend. So he has to spend at least 5,000 rupees or $100, whatever you want to put in over there, to get or to use this coupon, whatever coupon you are creating. Maximum spend. Now it is also very important to have a maximum spend, because we don't want anyone to spend a big amount and get a great discount on that. So you can also put a maximum amount, for example 1 lakh rupees or so on. Individual use only. Check this box if the coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. Very important, because we don't want people using 10 different coupons and ultimately getting the product for free and also free shipping. We don't want that, so make sure this is check marked. Exclude sales items, again make sure this is tick mark. Again, very important, because when we are giving some sale on a product, already there is some sale, then we don't want to give more discount through these coupons. Okay, so if you want to provide this coupon only for specific products, you can type in these products over here. You can type in the product name, you'll get all the products over here. You can select that product. We haven't created any product yet, that's why we won't get any options. If you want to exclude some product, you can put in that product over here. If you want to enable this coupon only for few product categories, you can enable this. If you want to exclude categories, enable this. If you want to exclude some emails, so you can put in those emails over here. Click on update. Usage limits. Unlimited usage, no, obviously no. 1 time or 10 times, whatever time you want. Limit usage to X items. Okay, applying to all items in cart. This is basically, or 1 item or 2 item, whatever how number of items you want, you can select. Okay, by default, if you leave this blank, if there are 3 different products in his cart, then this coupon will be applied for all those 3 different products. Usage limit per user, will again put 1. Click on update. Hey guys, so these were some basic settings about the WooCommerce and how to create coupons. Now in the next section, in the next part of this video, we'll see how to create different products: simple product, affiliate product, variable products, and different kind of products. So see you guys in the next section. Welcome back guys. In this section, we'll see how to create different products. So let's get started and create our first product. At the left hand side, you'll see different options. First, we were playing with WooCommerce settings. Now here the second option is products. When you hover products, you get different options. Click on add new. Now here you have to type in the product name. For example, blue t-shirt for men. Okay, it could be anything. I'm just giving you a short example. Now here you have to create a category if you haven't already created it. For example, let's click on this and let's create a category t-shirts. Click on add new category. And as you can see, the category is created and it is tick marked, which means this is in use. Now here we have to select simple product. give it a regular price. For example, this is rupees, so I'll give it 600 rupees. Sales price, I won't put it now. This is a very simple product. We'll go step by step. Okay, now tax status, whether this is taxable or not. If this product is not taxable, we'll select none. If this is taxable, we'll select taxable. If tax is applied only on shipping, for example, this product is not taxable, but shipping, on shipping we have to charge tax, so we'll select shipping only. But here I'll select taxable. Tax class, so I'll select GST, which we created, if you remember. Now go to inventory. SKU is stock keeping unit. Basically it is your warehouse where you have all your stocks. So if you have an ID for that, you can put in that ID. For example, it could be SGSC actually, and 1. This is a short code. You don't have to put this code, you can just put in any code or your warehouse name. Okay, I have put this stands for something. Manage stock. If you enable this, you will show different quantities. For example, if you have 100 pieces or 100 quantity of this shirt, then you will put 100, and whenever a new product purchase is made, this quantity will get decreasing, and when it will reach to 10 products, you'll get a notification that the product is on a very low stock and you should refill the quantity. So this is also important, or maybe for some it is important, for some it is not. If you don't want to show the number of product in quantity on the home on the web page, you can just untick this. Allow back orders, whether you want to allow back orders or not, which means when the product is out of stock, whether you want the user to be allowed to leave an order for that product or not. So by default it is set to no, but you have two different options. If you want to allow back orders, you can do so. Allow but notify customer that this product is out of stock, but we can take your order and we'll ship this order to you as soon as it is in stock. So there are different options. We can allow, we can not allow, and so on. You can select any option which you like. So stock status, in stock or out of stock. Basically we'll select in stock. You select out of stock when your product is out of stock, and so that your product doesn't show on the page, because when it is not in stock, it doesn't make any sense showing the product on the page. But here we'll select in stock. Enable this to only allow one of this item to be bought in a single order. We don't want to enable this. Okay, go to shipping. Now here you have to type in the weight of the product. For example, it can be, I don't know, 200 grams maybe. Length, whatever it is all in centimeters. Then I don't know, just type in any number. Shipping class, this is not television, so regular shipping class. Okay, I think we had to create. Okay, fine. I think we did one mistake. We just created one class, shipping class. We didn't create the normal class. Don't worry, we'll do this after creating this product. So make sure now just select this no shipping class. Now go to link products, upsells, cross sells. We'll see these things later because we don't have any product. We cannot add a product. Basically upsell is when you get different options. For example, if you're purchasing one product and you get a few more options as recommendation. You might have seen this on Amazon. When you're purchasing one product, you're getting more options. For example, when you're purchasing a monitor, there will be more options in the bottom, for example hard disk and so on. So this is what upsells is. Cross sells is basically you get some options, some recommendation when you're in your cart. For example, you have saved one product in your cart, you will get more options related to that product, so you can select those products. So here we haven't created any product yet, so we won't do that now, but when we create 2-3 products, after that we can do so. Okay, attributes, we will see at these attributes later on. This is just a very simple product, so we won't be seeing all these options. For simple product, this is it. Okay, this is the only things which you have to follow. For variable, we'll see all these attributes and so on. Now here is the product short description, product long description. So let's grab some lorem ipsum, some dummy text to fill in over there. Okay, paragraphs, generate lorem ipsum. Okay, let me select like this. maybe this much. Fine. Copy and paste. This is basically your short description over here, and this is your long description. So we'll put this under long description. We'll copy these 2 lines and we'll put it under short description. Now I'll show you where these things come when we publish this product. Now product image, you have to select the product image. Click on set product image. Click on select files. Make sure you're under upload files. Click on select files. Now maybe this is the image I want, so I'll select this. Click on open. Click on set product image. Now we can have some product as gallery images. Click on add product gallery images. Again, go to upload files, select files. So maybe I want these 3 products. Click on open, add to gallery. Fine. You can add some tags, for example shirts. Okay, so you can see one tag is added. You can add another tag, men. So tags are basically important when someone clicks on shirt, so all the product which has this particular tag will show. So that is also important. Fine. Now click on preview changes. Let's see how a product looks like. Fine. This is how it looks like. You have your product over here. This is the title. Your product price 600 rupees, 100 in stock. This is the short description which we put. This is the SKU, tags, category. This is the long description, some additional description, your weight, dimensions, and anyone who wants to leave a review can review over here. Fine. So this is how, and we also have our gallery images over here. So this is very good, very simple and nice. Everything is going fine. So let's come back to our product over here. Click on publish. Until you click on that publish, your product won't show on your home page, on your website. Okay, now before doing anything, let's add a shipping class first. So again, our WooCommerce, click on settings, go to shipping classes. Okay, we have only one over here. We'll add one more, add shipping class, and we'll just type in t-shirts over here. You can put in any description you want. Click on save shipping class. Go back to shipping options, or maybe shipping zones. Edit under India. Fine. Flat rate. Now here we have to put in the shipping cost for t-shirts. So let's put that formula again. QTY under square brackets into maybe 60 rupees. Fine. Click on save changes. Come back over here. At the top you'll see this edit product. Open that link in a new tab. Scroll down, go to shipping class. Now select t-shirts. So now 60 rupees will be charged when someone is ordering this product, or as the shipping cost. Click on update. Fine. So we have seen that. Now this was a very simple product. Okay, this is the simple product. Now suppose if you want to offer some sale, for example in India during Diwali season, Diwali is a festival in India, the sales just go up. You know, there are so many offers going on different e-commerce websites. So maybe you want to offer something like that. So how you do that? Again, come back to your product, and here put in sale price. For example, you want to give 200 rupees discount, so you will put 400 rupees sale price. Okay, so the original price was 600, now you're selling it for 400. Now you can also schedule this. For example, this is available only for 3 days during that season. So maybe it is available from 13, which is today, till 15th. Fine. Now click on update. Come back to this page, refresh. Now as you can see over here, now this price is cut, and this is the original price now, 400 rupees, and you also get this thing which says this is on sale. So this increases the chance of sales. So this was the sale product. This is also part of simple product, just a small change over there. Now let's see other products. So I won't be creating new product again and again. We'll be playing around with this product only. So this was the simple product. Now select this and select variable product. So variable product is basically where you have different variations. For example, you have a t-shirt, you have different colors, you have different sizes and so on. So those are variables. So when you select variable products, those few options change from here. The general option is the same, inventory is the same, shipping is also the same, link product. Now we'll see this later. Actually, we haven't created any product, so we cannot do this. For that we need to create some product. I'll see that later, don't worry about that. Go to attributes now and click on add attribute. Now here we have to add the attribute. For example, if you have different colors, so under names type in colors, fine, and make sure this is tick mark used for variations, and here you have to type in different colors or different size, whatever variation you have, and you have to separate it by this pipe icon, this. Okay, for example, we have blue, this is the blue one, then we'll put in this pipe icon, then we'll maybe we have white t-shirt and black t-shirt, fine. So we have three different colors. We'll click on save attributes. So we have created the attribute. Now we have to create the variations. So click on variations from here. Now select this and select the second option, create variations from all attributes, and click on go. Click on OK. OK. So three variations have been created: blue, white and black. Now we have to expand each one, and we'll see different options. The first option is to enter a image, upload an image. So click on this. This is the blue one, so I'll select this one. Click on set variation. SKU, you can change the SKU from here. Now here we'll put a different price for different products so that we can see how powerful this plugin is and what all it can do. For example, for blue t-shirt we want to charge 600 rupees. We are not giving any sale or anything over here now. In stock you can see all the same options over here, weight, dimension and so on. Now select the white one. Now for white one we want a different image, so I'll upload a new image. Go to upload files, select file. Let's select this one, white one. Click on open, set variation image, and we'll price this at 500 rupees. Go to the third one, the last one, black one. Expand this. I want a different image for this also. Let's upload an image. Okay, let's select this one. This is actually gray. Click on OK, open. Click on set variation image, and we'll price this at 400 rupees. Click on save changes. Rest all the settings remain same. All this short description, long description, product categories and everything remains same. Only this has changed. Now click on update. Again come back to your product, refresh the page. Now as you can see, we are getting this instead of price 400 to 600, and we are getting an option colors. Now when you choose this color blue, you can see the price over here is 600, and this is in stock. When you choose some different color, for example white, the price changes to 500 and the image also changes. And when we select black, the image again changes, the price also changes. This is an awesome feature guys, really awesome feature, very useful feature. So this is how you create a variable product. Again come back to this product page and let's see what is the next option. Okay, so let's create a new product. So what I'll do, I won't click on this add new product, because again I'll have to put in all this description and so on. I'll click on this all products, and here I'll see my product over here. I'll click on duplicate. Okay, so what I'll do now, instead of blue, I'll type in white t-shirt. I'll remove this copy. I did this just to save my time, because this is just for tutorial purposes. You guys should not duplicate the product. You have to create a new product every time. I duplicate it because I don't have to put in these descriptions, select these categories and so on again and again. Now go to link product, and here in upsells type in the product name. For example, type in blue. It is searching. Now as you can see, you have different product options over here. So select the blue one. Now it will come for upsell. When you select for cross sell, again select blue. Okay, the same t-shirt. Now I want to change the image. This is the white shirt, so I'll select this one, click on this. I'll also add different product gallery images, so just delete all these things, click on add product gallery images, upload files, select files, and let's select these two images, click on open, add to gallery, publish this product. Now let's see how this product looks like. Click on preview changes. Okay guys, so this is how it looks like. This is also a variable product because we duplicated it. Okay, now when we scroll down, you see this thing, you may also like. So this is what upsell is. You're getting this option, you may also like. And now let's add this product under the cart. Now let's go to the cart. Okay, here it is. Click on this product, click on our cart page, and here you are getting a new option you may be interested in. So this is the cross sell. Okay guys, so these are different options like upsell and cross sell. You don't actually show different products, so here you show different subsidiary product or different kind of product. For example, if you're selling, if someone is ordering a t-shirt, he might not order another t-shirt, but he might order a jeans, a sunglasses or something. And here if you see, this is the shipping calculator, flat rate, you are getting 120 rupees over here. Fine, you have different calculate shipping. When doing those changes, we saw this calculate shipping. When you put in your zip code over here and click on update, the changes occurs. You get the free shipping if you are eligible for free shipping. And when you click on this calculate shipping, you get your flat rate over here. Okay, the shipping rate according to your zone. Now you can proceed to checkout and so on. I was just showing you what different upsell and cross sell is. Now let's cut this thing. Again, come back over here. Now we have seen how to create a simple product, how to create a sale product, and how to create a variable product. Now let's create a group product and see what that product is. So what I'll do, I'll again go to all products. I'll duplicate this one to save some time. I'll change this name. Instead of white t-shirt for mine, let's put in gray. Okay, the spelling for gray may differ according to which country you belong to. Now instead of variable, I'll put group product. Fine. And let's do one thing. Let's not put gray t-shirt. Let's put t-shirt combo, because here we are not putting any product. It is just a group which we are creating, and we'll be adding different product to this particular group. If you don't understand, don't worry. When I'll do this, when I'll create this, you'll get to know what it is. Okay, and delete everything from here. We don't want anything over here right now. Delete everything under group products. Also delete this thing because we have seen what this upsells and so on is. Now click on update, click on preview changes. Okay, so this is how it looks. There is no product actually. Now let's create some again go to add products. We'll create some simple products and we'll group them in this particular thing. Now let's duplicate this one and let's change the title to simple so that we know what product we are talking about. And we'll change, instead of variable product, we'll make it simple product. Let's put any price 600. Let's cancel this selling and so on. Okay, fine, rest everything is fine. We want to remove this also. We don't want any color thing or anything over here. We just want a simple product. Okay, click on publish. Now again go to all products. Now we will duplicate this simple product again. Change the title. Instead of blue, let's make it gray. Gray simple product. Change the image to this one. Fine. Click on publish. So we have two simple products. Now we will add these two products or may to the group which we have created. Okay, so click on all products, t-shirt combo, click on this edit button. Now scroll down, go to link products, and here you'll see these group products. Now type in the product name. I'll type in simple so that I get all the products which I have created as a simple product. Okay, so these two. Now click on update. Now again come back to this page, refresh, and let's see the changes. Okay, as you can see, now we can see the changes. Okay, we didn't change the image, I guess. Okay, here it is, the image is present. You can, now this is what a group product is. You have two different products, so instead of going to each one of this product, a person can order two different quantities of different products from one single page. You can click on add to cart and these products will be added to the cart. So this is what a group product is, very simple. Now again click on add products and we'll see different kind of products now. Now let's duplicate a simple product, any one of this. Let's duplicate this one. So we have seen all the main important products, the simple, variable, group products and so on. Now let's create a affiliate product. So let the title be same. Come back over here and instead of simple products, let's create this one, external or affiliate product. Now you can put in the product URL. So for example, I'm selecting amazon.com or .in. Now let's select any URL. For example, let me select t-shirt from here. Okay, let's select this one. And obviously when you're selecting an affiliate product, you need to have affiliate ID over here. Only then you will be paid for that, because when you're doing affiliate marketing, you're selling someone else's product and you get a small commission on that. If you want to know more about affiliate marketing and how to create an Amazon affiliate website, I'll give a link in the video description below. In fact, you can find that video in the playlist, the e-commerce or WooCommerce playlist. You will find all the videos related to e-commerce or WooCommerce in that particular video. Very helpful, okay, in that particular playlist. Now copy this URL, paste in over here. Now you can change the button text from buy product to different product. Now for example, I want buy it from Amazon. You should not put this, but if you want, you can put this. You can set a price. Okay, here it is, whatever the price is given. Now this is the problem. You should not create an affiliate product using WooCommerce, because the price over here keeps on changing and this is not dynamic. This is just a static price. And if you see the website which I'm talking about, the Amazon affiliate website, there I have shown how you can just link this product over here, and the price on your website also keeps on changing accordingly. So make sure if you're interested in affiliate product, you should see that. Here this is not the perfect plugin for affiliate products, so I'll just put in the same price and I'll publish. Now let's see this product, how it looks like. Click on preview changes. Okay, so now you get this button, buy it from Amazon, and when you click on this, you are redirected to this particular URL or this particular page. When someone makes any purchase, you get a small commission. Okay, so this is what an affiliate product is. Okay, external product cannot be stock managed, obviously, because we are not maintaining the stock. So under inventory, you can delete everything. Okay, and everything related to stock you can just delete and click on update. Now we don't get that error, fine. Now let's see what product is left. So we have seen simple, grouped, external, variable. Now click on simple again, and here we have two different type of product, download and virtual. Downloadable product can be anything. For example, if you go to Theme Forest, you'll see a different themes over there. When you make some purchase, you get the theme to download. So that is a download. You see iTunes and so on. Different products where you can download, different website where you can download the product. So just click on tick mark this downloadable. You can set a price, for example 100 rupees. You can select the file which you want to download. For example, let me click this file. You can just name it any file. For example, I'm putting image. For example, if you have any premium image website, file URL, I'll choose file. Let me select, for example, I'm selling this image over here. Click on insert file URL. Basically people sell files like audios, ebooks and so on. If you want, you can include more files over here. Download limit, you can set to 10, 20, how many times a person can download once the payment is made. Download expiry, you can also set a download expiry, just enter the number of days. Tax, you can select all these taxation options. Now what I'll do, first let me update this product, now then I'll explain you what I'm saying. And come back over here. Okay, let's delete this, click on preview changes. Okay, so this is how it looks, just like a normal product. Obviously you should change your image from here. Now what I'll do, let me put this to 0 and click on update. Again, come back over here, refresh the page. Okay, so this is a free product. Now I'll click on add product. This is under this product is added to my cart. I'll click on view cart. Now you can check out. Okay, fine, you can do checkout. And when you click on this my account page over here, once you download the product, you will see those files over here under downloads. Okay, so very important. This is also important if you want to create a website like that. Now cut this thing. Now let's see the last product which you have to create, the virtual product. Select this, untick mark this. Virtual product can be anything which is not actually product. For example, you can schedule a call, a consultancy call, or subscription coupon. For example, if you're selling, if you're just created a coupon website, and if you're selling a 20% off coupon for $1, $2, different stuff, crazy stuff. I don't know what could be a good example for virtual product. That kind of product over here, same process, just put in a price, write in some description about that product, and click on update. Now those products are not, I don't know who uses that, but there are few people who does. And I hope this video was helpful for all of you guys. You learned something new. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, give a thumbs up to this video, and if you have any doubt whatsoever, you can leave a comment in the comment section below. And make sure you see my playlist, the WooCommerce e-commerce playlist. Very, very important, guys. Anything you want to know about WooCommerce or e-commerce, you will get to know over there. Thanks a lot for watching, guys. See you soon.